No, but that one would have been your best because your arms and legs like, no!
This is the extreme hill at Belfast Castle. They're coming back up to go down again. The ramp's at the bottom. Who's going first?
Daddy, I'm going to my belly. Daddy, try and get it right this time.
Cameron, that was class, that last one. I wish I had had that in video.
Daddy, run at it. I'm getting on my belly. Oh, I done it!
Get the ramp!
Oh my god!
Cameron, you try and do it, see if you fly off again.
Somebody hold me. Just jump on it, you don't need to support it.
Just jump on it. Just give yourself a good push. Woo! Steer yourself for the ramp.